All right, hey guys, so today's video I'm going to show you some kind of glitch I guess that happens with the Ford Mavericks and other Ford products. At least I think I saw this on the Mach-E, the Ford Mustang Mach-E forum, and it basically said, as you can see, my headlights are on right now but the car is off. So I already turned off the car and the car should be turned off, but it stays on like that. So let's go ahead and see, and we'll show you how to fix it. So I have the keys in my pocket. As you can see, even if I turn it off, or lock the car, it still turns on. So quick way to fix this that I found out is, check this out. I didn't even notice at first. Right here is your automatic headlights. So even if you turn off the car and lock it, like I said, it's not on at all, but you will hear this little chime and I'm like, what is that? So this is what it is. So change it back to automatic, and then as you can see, the headlights turned off. So let's go ahead and close it. And like I said, some people might know this, some people might not. And as you can see, the headlights are turned off now. So that's how you fix it. So if you're Ford Maverick or any other Ford product, I usually go into the car and then I'll lock it and go to the store. The lights stay on. So I don't know if maybe I accidentally clicked it. I usually leave it on automatic headlights, but if you leave them on, they will stay on for, I don't even know how long, 10 or 30 minutes. I'm not too sure. But I noticed it this morning when I went to work or to the store, came back, the headlights were still on, even though I turned off the car. That probably uses a little bit of battery. I'm not too sure, but like I said, I found this on a forum. They said it's a bug with them. It'll switch it from automatic to the headlights being on. So all you have to do is just switch it from the headlights to automatic, and then it fixes it. So quick little guide there for you guys.